video, we're going to learn the different components of the Puerto Rican cuatro. The cuatro is divided into two main parts. We have the body and we also have the neck. Let's start off by learning the different components of the neck. We're going to go all the way to the top and we have the headstock. We have the tuners, tuning machines. They help us tune the instrument. We have the nut, the fretboard or fingerboard. We have the back of the neck. And on the fingerboard, we have these frets, metal pieces that are dividing and helping us with the notes. We also have these markers that help us visually. When we're playing, sometimes we can get lost. So if we look at the markers, it kind of tells us where we are in the fretboard. Now let's take a look at the body. We have right here the soundboard. The soundboard is mainly in charge of helping us producing the sound. What takes that first level of vibration. Then we have the bridge. We have the saddle. And on the saddle, we have 5 sets of strings or 10 individual strings, right? We have first string, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So if you have your instrument, the first one is going to be the one that's in the bottom, right? So we have first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. It's G, D, A, E, and B. G, D, A, E, and B. Those are the names of the strings. We also have the back, the sides, and we have these arcs that are part of the traditional design of the cuatro. So let's review very quickly. We have 2 main parts, body and neck, headstock, tuning machines, the fretboard, the back of the neck. We also have frets, these markers, soundboard, rosette, sound hole. We have the bridge, we have the saddle. We have 5 sets of string, starting from the lowest one, the bottom one. It's going to be G, D, A, E, and B. We also have the sides, we have the back, and we have these beautiful arcs that are part of the traditional instrument. Go ahead and review the names of the different components of the Puerto Rican cuatro.